Hi. Hi. So what do you do if your self-confidence has taken quite a hit? Undoubtedly, there will be a lot of things you can't control at a time like that. So you need to focus on the things that you can control. And if you're feeling a bit down, you'll doubt your capacity to do a lot. So the most important thing is to set very small, achievable goals. And then make sure you achieve them. And then most importantly of all, make sure that you congratulate yourself on achieving them. The goals can be as trivial as you like, but you want to make sure that they're achievable. Imagine you're coaching a young child whose self-confidence had taken a hit. Once you start to have some success with these simple goals, you can then be a bit more ambitious. Thank you.